Good day everyone, I am Mayon Luis Tigasabang and today I will discuss topic about circles. So this is the problem. So a circular park is designed with its center located along the x-axis. The park is supposed to include a playground at the coordinates 1 square root of 3 and the picnic area at the coordinates 4 square root of 6. So the problem is what will be the equation of the park boundary to ensure both facilities are included within the park. So here I have a illustration about the given points. So they say that the playground is in the coordinates 1, 3, which is this point, and the picnic area at the coordinates 4 square root of 6, which is this point. So in order to find the equation, we have to use the distance formula. So let's say the given playground is 1 square root and the picnic area is 4 square root. And the center is the x-axis. Center. So the first equation we have to do is 1 minus h squared because of the distance formula. The second equation is the square root 4 and h squared plus square root 6. So given we have the two equations, first equation, the second equation, next step we will do is to equate them both. So equate them both. So square root of 1 h plus b is equal to square root. So now we're going to distribute or use the equal method. So since we have similar variation, we have to cancel it. So since these are cancelled, you have to rewrite it. You have to get the h. So transpose negative 8h to the left side. So you have 6h is equal to, so constant on the right side. So negative 4 minus 22 is 18. So just divide them both sides. And we have h is equal to 3. So we have h. So since the center said it's along the x-axis, so we have the answer h is equal to 3. So the center would be 3, 0. So in order to find the equation, we already got the center 3, 0, and to find the radius, so we're going to just substitute the h to the second equation. So 1, 3. So substitute the h and so in order to find the equation, given the center is 3, 0, we have to find the radius. And by finding the radius, we just have to use the second equation and just distribute the h. So to find the equation, you just have to put it in the formula, which is x minus 3 squared plus y squared is equal to 7. So this is the equation. So I use a graphing tool, which is Desmos, and got the circle from the equation x minus 3 squared plus y squared is equal to, so the center is 3, 0, which is here, and the playground was in here, approximately here, 1 square root of 3, and the other which is 4 square root of 6 here. This is the playground, the other is here. And that's all, thank you.